Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions. Today we'll show you how to create a WhatsApp link. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First open your web browser. Go to the URL option, type out http clone/wa.me/ just type a bracket and you can just type out your number and you'll find your WhatsApp number on the link. So that's how you can create a link on WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Please like our videos, share our other videos, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.